Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about trigonometry. So let's move into that. So when it comes to trigonometry, so first we must understand about the right angle triangle. So one of the angle will be 90 degrees. So that is already mentioned. B angle is the right angle triangle. And also you should know about the names of the sides. So let's see opposite to the right angle that is called as hypotenuse, right? So that is AC side is called as hypotenuse. And now see the C angle is marked. So opposite to that, that is called as opposite side, right? And then after for the C angle, the BC side is called as the adjacent side. So these terms we must know to move forward to find the trigonometry functions, right? So let's move to find out the primary trigonometry functions. So here it's given ABC, there's a right angle triangle is given, and the A angle is marked as the theta. And with respect to A, BC side is called as the opposite side, and AB side is called as the adjacent side. And the AC is hypotenuse, and also that is opposite to the B angle, which is the right angle, right? So let's see the primary trigonometry functions. So the first one is sine. So sine is called as the ratio of the length of the opposite side to the hypotenuse in the right angle. So that can be written as opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So that is BC side divided by AC. So that ratio will give you sine, right? So the next primary function is cosine. So the cosine is the ratio of the length of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse. So AB is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse, right? So cosine can be written as this way. And the next function is the tangent. So tangent is the ratio of the length of the opposite side to the adjacent side. So the opposite side for the theta is BC divided by AB. So this can be written as this. So by using this formula, let's move on to calculate some of the questions. Okay. So now the right angle triangle is given, right? And also there are two sides are given, right? One is 8 centimeter, other one is 12 centimeter. So now the question is we need to find the angle A, right? And the hypotenuse. So let's focus how we are going to find out the angle A. So by using those primary functions which are sine, cosine and the tan, now we have to find out by using these given data. So to the angle A, BC is the opposite and AB is the adjacent. So the best option is tangent, right? So now let's substitute those values. 12 divided by 8. So we will get the answer as 1.5. So now we need to find out A angle. So what we need to do is we have to use our scientific calculator and we need to find the inverse of the tan, right? So tan inverse and you have to type 1.5 in the calculator. So then the answer will be 56.3 degrees. So the answer for the A angle is 56.3. So now by using that angle, we will find out the hypotenuse, right? So which is the AC. So now what is the best option? You have to find out. So we know the angle that is 56.3 and other two sides also given, right? So now to find out the AC, cosine is the best option, right? So let's move with the cosine. So that is adjacent divided by the hypotenuse, right? So hypotenuse is something that we need to find out. So let's substitute that 8 divided by AC. So since we know the A angle that is 56.3, you can type that in the scientific calculator and find out what is the value of the for cos, right? So that is 0.55 and then after you can substitute in the formula and we will get the answer as 14.5 centimeter. That is the AC value. So that's how we have to find out this, right? Let's move to the next question. So here it's given, right? So there's a figure ABC, the triangle. AB is given as 10 centimeter and the A angle is given as 32 degrees, right? And ABC and AC is given as 90 degree, right? So now what we have to do is we need to find out the BD sides and BC side, right? So let's move. So the first part is BD we need to find out. So now only two options are given, the side 10 centimeter and 32 degrees. So by using those, we need to find out the best primary function of the trigonometry. So the best option is sine, right? So we can substitute that. So sine 32, that is equal to BD over AB. So now you can find it in the calculator. Sine 32 is equal to 0.52. So after that you can substitute in the equation and then we will find the answer as 5.2 centimeter, that is BD, right? And the next part is BC we need to find out. So to find out the BC, we need another parameter. So we need to find out the angle C, right? So angle C, how we can find? So when you consider ABC as the triangle, right? Interior angle add up to 180. So you can subtract the 90 and 32. So we will get the answer as 58 degrees, right? So by using the 58, C, we will see how we are going to find out the side BC. So the best option for that is tan, right? To the C angle 10 centimeter. The AB is the opposite side and the BC is the adjacent side, right? So you can substitute that and then you can find the tan 58 how much in scientific calculator, right? So that is 1.6. After that you can substitute the equation and then we will get the answer as 6.5 centimeter, right? So BC is 6.5 centimeter. So that's how we use the trigonometry when it comes to find out the angles and sides, right? So this is just an introduction and the next section will be continue next time. Okay, I hope you all got it. Thanks for watching.